Hello guys, 219 Tiger here, and we are under a winter weather advisory, and parts of Illinois are under a winter storm warning. Now they're saying anywhere from 2 to 10 inches. So, and this is what the radar is looking like right now, as you can see here. This is actually the live radar from ABC 7. This is just crazy.
Agent Kane. What? Heavy snow, strong winds, and dangerous travel conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches and wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Winnebago, Boone, McHenry, Ogle, Lee, DeKalb, Kane, and DuPage counties. When? Until noon Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility, especially late this evening and overnight tonight. The hazardous conditions will impact today's morning and evening commutes. Additional details: snow rates may exceed 1 inch per hour at times. Westerly wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour are expected, primarily late this evening and overnight, leading to areas of blowing snow and very low visibility. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. The following is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Lake, Illinois. What? Heavy snow, strong winds, and dangerous travel conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 12 inches and wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected, with the highest snow accumulations away from Lake Michigan. Where? Lake Illinois, Northern Cook, and Central Cook counties. When? Until noon Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible, especially away from Lake Michigan. Areas of blowing snow will reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will likely impact today's morning and evening commute. Additional details: snow will mix with rain near Lake Michigan and limit snow accumulations after mid-morning. Elsewhere, snow rates may exceed 1 inch per hour at times. Westerly wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour are expected after midnight and may lead to areas of blowing snow and low visibility, mainly in open areas. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. For today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: significant snow and blowing snow risk. Elevated non-thunderstorm wind risk. Limited thunderstorm risk. Limited lakeshore flood risk. Discussion: a major winter storm will impact the region through tonight, bringing a wide variety of hazardous weather. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Saturday: elevated excessive cold risk. Limited non-thunderstorm wind risk. Limited snow and blowing snow risk. Limited lakeshore flood risk. Sunday through Wednesday: elevated to significant excessive cold risk. Thursday: limited excessive cold risk. Discussion: some blowing and drifting snow is expected in open areas Saturday, especially in the morning. Additional accumulating snow is expected Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. While total accumulations should be less than 2 inches, hazardous travel conditions are expected, especially north of Interstate 80. Wind chills of 10 to as low as 30 degrees below zero are expected Saturday night through Wednesday morning. River ice is expected to rapidly build up on area rivers Sunday into early next week as a much colder Arctic air mass moves into the area. This will bring a threat for localized ice jam-related flooding on area rivers into next week. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be necessary through tonight. At 5 a.m. at O'Hare Airport, light snow was falling. The temperature was 33 degrees. The dew point was 30. And the relative humidity was 88%. The wind was east at 16 miles an hour. The wind chill was 23. The pressure was 29.72 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the area, snow was falling with a temperature of 35 at Midway Airport, 33 at Wheeling, 30 at DeKalb, 32 at Joliet, 30 at Morris, and 30 at Peru. Rain was falling with a temperature of 33 at Bloomington and 33 at Rantoul. It was 34 at the lakefront. It was cloudy with a temperature of 31 at Kankakee and 31 at Valparaiso. At Waukegan, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 33. At Aurora, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 31. Some conditions around the Midwest. At Milwaukee, snow was falling with a temperature of 35. At Springfield, rain was falling with a temperature of 37. At Rockford, snow and blowing snow were reported with a temperature of 30. At Madison, Wisconsin, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 27. At Moline, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 28. Once again, at O'Hare it was 33 with light snow. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Winter storm warning in effect until noon Saturday for Cook County, DuPage County, Lake County, Illinois, Will County, McHenry County, King County, Kendall County. Winter weather advisory in effect until noon Saturday for Lake County, Indiana. Today, snow with isolated thunderstorms in the morning, then snow and rain in the afternoon. Patchy blowing and drifting snow in the morning. Patchy blowing and drifting snow in the afternoon. Snow may be heavy at times in the morning. Snow accumulation of 4 to 6 inches north suburbs and of 3 to 5 inches south suburbs. Blustery. Nearly steady temperatures in the lower 30s. East winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, windy, snow. Patchy blowing and drifting snow after midnight. New snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches. Blustery with lows in the lower 20s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the evening, becoming west and increasing to 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Saturday, windy. Period of snow showers. Patchy blowing and drifting snow. New snow accumulation around an inch possible. Blustery with highs in the lower 20s. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Saturday night, cloudy. Snow showers likely, mainly in the evening. Some snow accumulation possible. Blustery with lows around 2 below. Wind chills as low as 15 below to 25 below zero. West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Sunday, mostly cloudy and blustery. Highs around 2 above. Wind chills as low as 16 below to 26 below zero. West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows around 10 below in the suburbs, but 5 below to 10 below zero downtown. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, mostly cloudy. Highs around zero. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Lows 5 below to 15 below zero. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Highs around zero. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows 5 below to 10 below zero. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. highs around 15. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows 0 to 5 above 0 in the suburbs, but around 10 above downtown. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow showers. Highs around 15. This is NOAA's weather radio station, KZZ 81, broadcasting weather information for Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest Indiana, 24 hours a day, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz, from our transmitter near Lockport, Illinois. This station will also broadcast severe weather events for the complete marine broadcast, tuned to KWEST 039, on a frequency of 162.550. This broadcast originates from NOAA's National Weather Service Forecast Office in Romeoville, Illinois. Visit us on the web at weather.gov/Chicago. You are listening to NOAA's Weather Radio, KZZ 81, serving Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest Indiana. The current time is 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Lockport, Joliet, and surrounding communities. A winter storm warning is in effect until noon Saturday for the following counties in Illinois, Grundy and Kendall. A winter storm warning is in effect until noon Saturday for the following counties in Illinois, DuPage and Kane. A winter storm warning is in effect until noon Saturday for the following county, Lake, Illinois. A winter weather advisory remains in effect until noon Saturday for the following county, Kankakee, Illinois, and Lake, Indiana. The following is a winter weather advisory from the National Weather Service for the following county, Kankakee, Illinois, and Lake, Indiana. Wet, snow, strong winds, and slippery travel expected early this morning and again tonight.
Yeah, it's deteriorated.
Between both periods of snow 2 to 5 inches. Highest amounts northern portions of these counties. Wind gusts to around 45 miles per hour expected late tonight. Where? In Illinois, Kankakee, and Livingston counties. In Indiana, Lake and Porter counties. When? Until noon Saturday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Additional details, snow will mix with and may change entirely to rain from mid-morning to late this afternoon, leading to some melting and compaction of the snow that falls this morning. Rain will change back to snow by early evening. Snow rates may exceed 1 inch per hour at times early this morning. Westerly wind gusts to around 45 miles per hour are expected late this evening and overnight, possibly leading to blowing snow and reduced visibility. Slow down and use caution while traveling. In Illinois, the latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. In Indiana, the latest road conditions for Indiana are available by calling 1-800-261-7623. The following is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois, Grundy and Kendall. Wet, heavy snow, strong winds, and dangerous travel conditions expected through early to mid-morning. Another period of accumulating snow is expected late this afternoon and tonight. Total snow accumulations from both periods of snow of 4 to 8 inches expected. Wind gusts to around 45 miles per hour expected after midnight tonight. Where? LaSalle, Kendall, Grundy, Southern Cook, and Will counties.
And Southern Cook is not far from here either, so...
Travel could be very difficult. Areas of blowing snow could reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact today's morning commute and possibly the evening commute as well. Additional details, snow will mix with and may change entirely to rain from mid-morning to mid-afternoon, leading to some melting and compaction of the snow that falls this morning. Rain will change back to snow late this afternoon.
Yeah.
Snow rates may exceed 1 inch per hour at times. Westerly wind gusts in excess of 45 miles per hour are expected primarily this evening and overnight and may lead to areas of blowing snow and very low visibility. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station, KZZ 81, broadcasting weather information for Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest Indiana,
Oh, it's not
24 hours a day.
Should be out soon.
Frequency of 162.425 megahertz from our transmitter near Lockport, Illinois. This station will also broadcast severe weather events for Cook, DuPage, Lake, Will, Kane, Kendall, and Grundy counties in Illinois, and Lake County in Indiana. For the complete marine broadcast, tune to KWO.
Yeah, it's deteriorated, I'll tell you that. Ooh-wee. I definitely would not want to drive in this. That's all I'm going to say. And here's the way the radar is looking. Ooh-wee. And it's supposed to get super cold after this too, so... winter winter storm watches and advisories went out about 2 days ago. So.
Small parts, big impact. Buy online, operate anywhere.
Podcast originates from the National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. This is a blizzard warning for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Boone, Clark, Dallas, Greene, Guthrie, Jasper, Madison, Marion, Polk, Story, and Warren. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. this morning. Blizzard warning remains in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to 6 a.m. Saturday. Wind chill watch remains in effect from Saturday evening through Tuesday morning. For the winter storm warning, additional snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches by late Friday afternoon. For the blizzard warning, life-threatening conditions are expected. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Visibilities below 1/4 of a mile will be common with whiteout conditions. For the wind chill watch, dangerously cold wind chills. Wind chills of 30 to 45 below zero are expected. The areas affected include central Iowa. When, for the winter storm warning, until 10 a.m. this morning. For the blizzard warning, from 10 a.m. this morning to 6 a.m. Saturday. For the wind chill watch, from Saturday evening to
Tornado warning for central Chute County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Ashley County in southeastern Arkansas, northwestern Washington County in northwestern Mississippi.
The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. These temperatures and wind chills can be life-threatening for stranded motorists. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. For the latest travel conditions, check the Iowa 511 app, www.511ia.org, or dial 511. 6 a.m. Saturday. It's for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Boone, Clark, Dallas, Greene, Guthrie.
Now starting at just $159.
shook up a snow globe. But we're kind of due for this though too. It's been quite a while. To say the least. Now the winter storm advisory goes until 12 p.m. Saturday for Northwest Indiana.
about less than an hour ago.
Yeah, I was that's an inch an hour. Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Juliet. We're talking to you. This is going to be coming down fast and furious. Interestingly enough, Bob, I was looking at it, and from Chicago O'Hare, the busiest route to fly, by the way, is from O'Hare to LaGuardia. They have over 190 flights that are scheduled this week, with over 6,000 flights scheduled in the next 7 days out of O'Hare.
Wow.
This is going to have, if it affects Chicago, it affects the country.
Major league ripple effect, and no question about it. And you can see the shield of snow itself, and it is very heavy. And it wraps not just around Chicago, it goes into northern Indiana, Lake Michigan, lower parts of Wisconsin, Iowa, and stretches right down through Nebraska. So we've got the blizzard warnings out there also. Let's get another look at Robert Ray's picture, just because it's so good. Big, fat flakes are flying. You can see it there. Temperature's 33, which means there's water content in that snowflake, which makes them stick together, which makes those snowflakes look a little bit bigger, and it makes it stick to everything, including trees, power lines, the whole deal. So power outages may be an issue later on this afternoon.
Oh, big time. And then, it just gets all slushy and sloppy. You start slipping and sliding. It is going to be a rough, just on a normal day.
Yeah, it's bad.
Driving in and around Chicago can be difficult, but with that, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
In New York to Washington, D.C., although right now, things look pretty good.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, there's big changes.
Nation's capital looks gorgeous with a nice
Isn't that
little
a great
sunrise
shot?
coming up there in D.C.
I love that. It didn't look like this, though, Bob, just a couple of days ago.
No, that's
You see
Jersey
that?
City on your right, and that is Pequannock on your left.
Yeah, literally parking lots completely flooded out, so you can imagine that the parks in the area, it's like a wet sponge. The problem that we have now is the fact that tonight and then into the day tomorrow, we have another round of rain heading toward the I-95 corridor. And we've actually, Bob, picked up a ton of snow in these spots here. So now you start to add in more rain on top of the snow, on top of the already super saturated soil, and you got yourself a flood threat.
Yeah, it's a good point. It's the same situation we had earlier with the last storm that went through. And, man, the big rivers in New Jersey, the Passaic, the Raritan, the Hackensack River, all northern Jersey right here, they don't have a chance to really go down. So
here's the way the radar is currently looking as of right now. It's still coming down really good, to say the least.